I just released a sample pack of one-shots. So I just wanted to explain what a one-shot is and why I use them and how I use them. So a one-shot is a single audio file, like a clap, but in the case of this sample pack, they are all melodic audio files. So, for example, a thumb piano, a kalimba, that is the one shot. And the way you use it is you drag it into a sampler. So in Logic, all you do is just drag it onto a new track, quick sampler, and then it automatically maps it to your keyboard. And you can do this in Ableton with the simpler device. I think it's called. You can do it in Reaper with the Resamplematic 5000. I forget. They have a sampler plugin, and also in like Fruity Loops or anything you can do this. Just maps that sound across your keyboard.